In this video, I am going to show you how to add liquidity on Uniswap. Visit uniswap.org and connect your wallet using the Connect Wallet button on the top right corner. Click on the Pool section, then choose the New Position or Add Liquidity. Select the two tokens you want to add, like Ethereum and DAI. You may need to approve token access first, a one-time action per token. Uniswap V3 uses concentrated liquidity, meaning you pick a price range where you want to provide liquidity. The narrower the range, the higher your fee earnings, but more risk. You can use full range for simplicity. The system auto-calculates the second token based on the pool ratio. Now click Preview and confirm all details such as token amounts, fees, price range, etc. Click Add or Supply, then approve the transaction in your wallet. You'll receive a liquidity position representing your share. You can monitor, increase or remove liquidity later from the Pool tab. You can monitor, increase or remove liquidity later from the Pool tab.